Hello guys, thank you for tuning to this video. My name is Donley Chimtua. I work on a cruise ship. So as you can see, this is my room. I'm gonna show you later. So just for your own information, I'm selling this PDF step-by-step guide on how to work on a cruise ship. This guide has got everything that you need, all the information that you need from the start, and you get a job on a cruise ship. So don't hesitate to buy this PDF. It's gonna help you from start to finish until you embark on your cruise ship job. If you have any question, don't forget to reach to me. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm gonna put my WhatsApp number on this video. Also, if you're interested to see more content about me, about my travel, about my lifestyle, don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. It's Donley Chimtua Global. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you around how this cabin looks like. So I work on a cruise ship, so my contract is for 6 months, and after 6 months I go back home in Zimbabwe. I go back home for like 2-3 months, then I come back again. I'm just gonna go around and show you how small this room is. This is where I'm staying guys for 6 months, on this small room. All I need to do is just come and sleep, bath, go to eat and work, nothing else. I don't need a huge space. This is how cruise ship life is. All the cabins, they're small. Sometimes it depends with the company, but most of the companies, the cabins are small. So I'm just gonna turn my camera around and show you around. Yes, so this is the entrance. So this is the door. Okay, as you can see, this ship. These are some of the information of the ship. If I turn my camera around, this is the life jacket. Yeah, we use this if you are doing a drill. This is my wardrobe. Yes, this is my clothes. It's not in order, but it's okay. It's okay. This is where I live, guys. I'm just gonna turn the camera around. All right, this is how it looks like. All right, as you can see. Yeah, this is the shelf. You can put anything there. This is the clothes, and we stay 2-2. So this is my bed. I sleep here. So we have 2 beds, one on top here. As you can see, one will sleep on top, one will sleep on down. This room is small, guys. I'm trying to show you all the sides, but I don't know if you can see everything with my camera. And this is the restroom. I'm just gonna open this door, and this is the restroom. I don't need to show you everything. As you can see, this is the restroom, guys. Yes, this is the tap, some of the information. As you can see here, that's it. Yes, I'm gonna just put this camera back. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So this guide, I helped a lot of people to come and work on a cruise ship. So I decided to put all the information that I know, all the data that I know, to put on this guide. So on this guide, you're gonna learn a lot of things, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to get a job on a cruise ship. All the details is on this PDF, all the information, where to apply, how to make a CV, how much is the salary for different departments, how crew life is. Guys, you're gonna learn a lot of things on this guide, so don't hesitate to buy this guide. Thank you so much. If you have any information, please don't hesitate to send me a message or to contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook or on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out, guys. You're gonna learn and see a lot of stuff there, because I can't stop sharing information about my lifestyle, about businesses, about cruise ship job, about everything that I do, guys. So don't miss out. Thank you so much. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to go on the description, look for a link where it's gonna take you to get this step-by-step guide on how to get a cruise ship job. So guys, I know there's a lot of scammers online. People are pretending like they are real recruiters, or they are promising you to get a job online. Please, you will be scammed. On this PDF, I'm going to show you step by step how to get a cruise ship job. I'm gonna also show you all the links. I'm gonna give you all the links where you can apply for a cruise ship job. So these links are legit, guys. It's not a scam. I'm gonna give you all the links that are legit. Okay, one more thing, I forgot to show you outside of this room, so you can see how it looks like. So just gonna open. I think nobody's there. As you can see, these are some of the rooms, and on this side, these are cabins. This the other way, just go this way. As you can see, yeah. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Staying here for 6 months, yes.